Hello, my dear students. In my previous session, we have discussed the problems on the formation of the PDE by eliminating the arbitrary constant. In this session, we have discussed the problems on the formation of the PDE by eliminating the arbitrary constant, arbitrary functions. Form the PDE by eliminating the arbitrary functions in the equation z is equal to y square plus 2 into f of 1 by x plus log y. Solution. Write the given data. Z is equal to y square plus 2 into f of 1 by x plus log y. Solve equation 1. Differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y we have. Therefore, what is the differentiation of z partially with respect to x? Dou z divided by dou x, that is equal to. What is the dou z by dou x? That is p. P is equal to. Here with respect to x, y square is the constant. The differential of constant is 0. That is 0. 0 plus 2 into. What is the differentiation of function? F of 1 by x plus log y. That is f dash of 1 by x plus log y into, by using the chain rule. What is the differentiation of 1 by x with respect to x? It is minus 1 by x square. Plus, what is the differentiation of log y with respect to x? Here with respect to x, log y is the constant. The differential constant is 0. This is 0. Only we get minus 1 by x square. And cross multiply. Here this is x square. Cross multiply x square. Therefore, p into x square, that is equal to. Here plus into minus is minus. Therefore, 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Call this equation 2. Similarly, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. Therefore, that is a dou z divided by dou y, that is equal to. What is the dou z divided by dou y? It is q. Q is equal to. Here, what is the differentiation of y square with respect to y? Therefore, that is 2y. 2y plus 2 into. What is the differentiation of the function? It is f dash of 1 by x plus log y into. Here, by using the chain rule, here with respect to y, what is the differentiation of 1 by x? This constant 0. Plus, what is the differentiation of log y with respect to y? That is 1 by y. Therefore, here take the y as the y LCM. Therefore, q into here q is equal to, take the y LCM. Therefore, y into 2y. Y into 2y is 2y square plus here 1 into 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Whole divided by y. That is the LCM. Therefore, cross multiply y. Therefore, cross multiply y. Therefore, y into q is qy. Qy is equal to 2 into y square plus 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Therefore, next shifting this term. Therefore, qy minus 2 into y square, that is equal to 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y. And here in these two terms, y as the common factor, take it outside. The remaining term is q minus here 1 y get outside. Therefore, only remaining term is 2y. That is equal to 2 into f dash of 1 by x plus log y. Call this equation 3. Next, now dividing the equation 2 by 3. 2 divided by 3. Therefore, p into x square, RHS p into x square divided by q minus 2y into y, that is equal to. Here equation 2 divided by 3. Therefore, same term get cancelled. Only we get minus 1. And cross multiplication, px square is equal to, you multiply with minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 into q is minus q into y. Here next minus of minus is plus. Therefore, 2y into y. 2y square into 1 is 2y square. And shifting this term to the left side, therefore px square plus qy, that is equal to 2 into y square is the required PDE. Here we have eliminated the arbitrary function f. Similarly, second problem, formation of the PDE by eliminating the arbitrary function. Here z is equal to e power x plus by into f of ax minus by. Solution. Write the given data. Call this equation 1. Differentiating equation 1 with respect to x and y partially. Here differentiation of z partially with respect to x is the dou z by dou x, that is equal to. What is the dou z by dou x? That is p. P is equal to. Here how to differentiate this with respect to x? Here this is also a function of x and y. This is also a function of x and y. Therefore, both are function of x. Therefore, we have to use the product rule, UV rule. Therefore, what is the product rule? First function into differentiation of second with respect to x. What is the differentiation of f? It is f dash of x minus by into chain rule. Here what is the differentiation of x? That is 1. 1 into a is a. Here with respect to x, minus by is the constant. The difference of constant is 0. Plus second function into. Here what is the second function? F of ax minus by is the second function. Second function into differentiation of first. What is the differentiation of e power ax plus by? Here how to differentiate this? It is in the form of e power ax. What is the differentiation of e power ax? A into e power ax. Therefore the coefficient of a into e power ax. Similarly, here what is the differentiation of this with respect to x? Therefore the differentiation of e power x plus by is a into, because the what is the coefficient of x? That is a into e power x plus by. This is the product rule. Therefore again in these two terms, what is the common term? Therefore e power x plus by is the common term. Therefore what is the remaining term here? F dash of ax minus by into a. That is the remaining term. In here what is the e power x plus by? Therefore e power x plus by into f dash of x minus by into a, plus here a into, this can be written as z. Here don't take any common term here, you just write remaining terms. Therefore p is equal to e power x plus by, write as it is, into f dash of x minus by into a, write as it is, plus a into, this can be written as z. What is z? E power x plus by into f of x minus by, that is a into z. Call this equation 2. Don't take any common term here, we just replace this term by z. Call this equation 2. Similarly, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. What is the differentiation of z with respect to y? Dou z by dou y, that is equal to q. The notation of this one is q, that is equal to. Same again, here we observe that both are these and this and this both are function of x and y. Therefore both are function of y. Therefore here also we have to use the product rule, uv rule. How to differentiate this with respect to y? The first function into differentiation of second with respect to y. Therefore what is the differentiation of f of ax minus by? It is f dash of x minus by into, here with respect to y this is constant, with respect to y this is constant 0, minus what is the differentiation of y? 1 into minus b is minus b, plus second function into, what is the second function? F of x minus by, second function into differentiation of first with respect to y. What is the differentiation of e power x plus by? Again here with respect to y, write the coefficient of y. What is the coefficient of y? It is b into e power x plus by. Next, q is equal to, here first write minus b into e power x plus by f dash of x minus by, plus write b as it is. What is e power x plus by into f of x minus by? This is z. Therefore this can be written as z. Call this equation 3. Next, multiply equation 2 by b and multiply equation 3 by a. We get multiply equation 2 by b. Therefore bp is equal to, here already a is there, multiply b. Therefore ab into e power x plus by into f dash of x minus by, plus already az is there, multiply b. Therefore abz. This is equation 4. Similarly, multiply equation 3 by a. Therefore p into equation 3 by a. Therefore this is equation 3. Multiply a. Therefore a into q. aq is equal to, therefore multiply a. Therefore minus ab e power x plus by into f dash of x minus by, plus here multiply a b z. Call this equation 5. Next, adding these two terms. Therefore 4 plus 5 will give bp plus aq, that is equal to, here if you adding these two terms, the same term, this is plus and minus get cancelled. What is the remaining term? A plus z plus a plus z. Therefore that is equal to a plus z plus a plus z is 2abz. Therefore bp plus aq is equal to 2abz is the required PDE. Here we eliminating the function f. The problem, Lx plus my plus nz, that is equal to pi of x square plus y square plus z square. Solution, write the given data, then differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y. Here L into, what is the differentiation of x? Difference of x is 1. 1 into L is L plus. Here with respect to x, my is the constant. Y terms are constants, that is 0. Here n into, what is the difference of z partially with respect to x? That is the dou z by dou x, that is equal to. What is the difference of pi? That is pi dash, the pi dash of x square plus y square plus z square into chain rule. Here what is the difference of x square with respect to x? This is 2x. Here with respect to x, y square is the constant 0 plus. Here what is the difference of z square? That is 2z, and by using the chain rule, what is the difference of z with respect to x? Dou z by dou x. Here you should remember that here z is not a constant. With respect to x and y, z is not a constant, it is a function. Therefore the difference of this function is not 0, that is 2z into dou z by dou x. Next simplify this, therefore L plus n into, what is the dou z by dou x? That is p. P is equal to pi dash of x square plus y square plus z square into 2x plus 2z. What is the dou z by dou x? That is p. That's equation 2. Similarly, differentiating equation 1 with respect to y. Therefore, here with respect to y, Lx is the constant 0. Here next m into, what is the difference of y? That is 1. 1 into m is m plus n into, what is the difference of z partially with respect to y? Dou z by dou y, that is equal to. Here what is the difference of function? It is the pi dash. The pi dash of x square plus y square plus z square into, here with respect to y, x square is constant 0 plus, what is the difference of y square? That is 2y plus, what is the difference of z square? 2z. Z with respect to y, partially difference of z with respect to y is dou z by dou y. Next m plus n into, what is the dou z by dou y? That is q. Q is equal to pi dash of x square plus y square plus z square into 2y plus 2z. What is the dou z by dou y? It is q. That's equation 3. Next dividing 2 by equation 3. Dividing equation 2 by equation 3. Therefore here L plus np divided by m plus nq, 2 divided by 3, that is equal to, here the same term 2 by 3, same term get cancelled, we get only 2x plus 2zp divided by 2y plus 2z, 2z into dou z by 2z into q, 2x plus 2zp divided by 2y plus 2zq. Take 2 outside, 2 common term, here only z plus x plus zp. Here take 2 common term, therefore y plus zq. 2 to get cancelled, only we get x plus zp divided by y plus zq. And the cross multiplication, here x plus zp into m plus nq, that is equal to y plus zq into L plus np. Therefore mx must multiply with x, therefore mx plus xnq plus mzp. Next nzpq is equal to, here multiply with L, ly, lzq. Next multiply with np, npy, npzq, np. Next multiply with np, therefore npy, first multiply with L, ly plus lzq. Next multiply with np, therefore npy. Next npzq, npzq. Therefore here np, I think npzq get cancelled. Write the remaining terms. Next note, to form the PDE from pi of u comma v, that is equal to 0, where u and v are functions of x, y, z, z being a function of x, y. We proceed as follows. Therefore by data, pi of u comma v is equal to 0, call this equation 1. Here differentiate equation 1 with respect to x and y partially by applying the chain rule, we obtain. Here differentiation of pi with respect to x and y partially means dou z by, here pi is a function of u, therefore dou u, and u is we differentiate u with respect to y, that is the dou u by dou x plus, again differentiate this term with respect to x, therefore dou pi divided by Here pi is a function of v, therefore dou v into dou v, differentiate dou v with respect to x partially, dou v by dou x, that is equal to 0. That is equation 2. This is the chain rule. Next, differentiate this term with respect to y partially. First, differentiate the function, that is the dou pi by dou u, because pi is a function of u, into differentiate the u with respect to y, therefore dou u by dou y, plus dou pi by dou v, because pi is a function of v. First, differentiate pi with respect to v, and differentiate v with respect to y, dou v by dou y, that is equal to 0. Call this equation 3. Next, transferring the second term in both equation 2 and 3 onto the RHS, and dividing, we obtain the required PDE. Shifting this term to the left side, here also left side, and divide the term, we get the PDE, required PDE. Here students observe that here in the solution for the previous problem is wrong. This is wrong because here we cancel NZ PQ, and take the remaining terms, P terms and Q terms separately. That is the required solution for this PDE. Yeah, this answer is might wrong. Next problem. Form the PDE by limiting the arbitrary function, that is pi of x plus y plus z, comma x square plus y square minus z square is equal to 0. Solution we have by data pi of u comma v is equal to 0. Pi of u comma v is equal to 0. What is u? U is equal to x plus y plus z. And what is v? V is equal to x square plus y square minus z square. We are first differentiate u with respect to x and y, then v with respect to x and y. What is the dou u by dou x? Differentiation of u partially with respect to x. Dou u by dou x is equal to, what is the differentiation of x? That is 1 plus, here with respect to x, y is the constant 0. Here what is the differentiation of z with respect to x? Dou z by dou x, that is equal to 1 plus what is the dou z by dou x? That is p. Similarly, differentiate this function partially with respect to y, dou u by dou y, that is equal to, here with respect to y, this constant 0. Here with respect to y, difference of y is 1 plus. Here what is the difference of z with respect to y? Dou z by dou y, that is equal to 1 plus dou z by dou y is q. Next, dou v by dou x is equal to, difference of x square is 2x, minus, here with respect to x, this is constant 0, minus difference of z square with respect to x, 2z, z with respect to x is dou z by dou x, that is equal to, here in this two term, 2 common term, therefore required term is x minus z into, what is the dou z by dou x? That is p. Next, dou v by dou y, that is equal to, here dou v by dou y, differentiation of v partially with respect to y. With respect to y, this is constant 0, y square is 2y, minus, here difference of z square with respect to y partially is, z square is 2z, z with respect to y is dou z by dou y, that is equal to, here in these two term, 2 common term, take it outside, the remaining term is y minus z into q. Next, applying the differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to x and y, by applying the chain rule, we get same dou pi by dou u. Here pi is a function of uv. Pi is a function of uv. First, differentiate dou pi with respect to u partially. Dou pi by dou u. But here we are going to differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, dou u by dou x, plus, here pi is a function of v. Therefore, first differentiate partially with respect to v. Therefore, dou pi by dou v. Next, we differentiate v with respect to x, dou v by dou x, that is equal to 0. This is the chain rule. Therefore, next, dou pi by dou u into dou pi by dou u, that is equal to, shifting this term, it will become minus dou pi by dou v into dou v by dou x. Call this equation 2. Similarly, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y. Therefore, first differentiate pi partially with respect to u, that is dou pi by dou u. But we are going to differentiate with respect to y, therefore dou u by dou y, plus, similarly, differentiation of pi first with respect to v, because pi is a function of v, therefore dou pi by dou v into, next, differentiate v with respect to y, dou v by dou y, that is equal to 0. Next, dou pi by dou u by dou y, that is equal to, shifting this term to the right side, it will become minus. Therefore, minus dou pi by dou v and dou v into dou v divided by dou y. That is equation 3. Next, divide 2 by 3. Therefore, here what are the terms get cancelled? Dou pi by dou u and here dou pi by dou v get cancelled. What is the remaining term? Dou u divided by dou x, dou u by dou x divided by dou v by dou y, that is equal to, here minus minus get cancelled. Here dou pi by dou v, dou pi by dou v get cancelled. Dou v by dou x divided by dou v by dou y. Next, here what is the dou u by dou x? Dou u by dou x is 1 by p. Therefore, 1 by p divided by, what is the dou u by dou y? Dou u by dou y is 1 by q. 1 by q, that is equal to, what is the dou u by dou x? Dou u by dou x is dou u by dou x, sorry, dou v by dou x. Dou v by dou x is 2 into x minus zp. Next, divided by, what is dou u by dou y? Dou u by dou y is 2 into y minus zq. Here 2 get cancelled, cross multiply 1 by p, y minus zq, that is equal to, here 1 by q into x minus zp. Multiply with 1. 1 into y is y minus 1 into z cube plus p into y. Here plus into minus is minus p into z cube, that is equal to, multiply with 1. 1 into x, x, 1, here plus into minus minus, 1 into zp is zp plus q into x is qx, plus into minus is minus, here zqp. Here next, these two terms, same term get cancelled, because if you are shifting here, it will become plus. Therefore, plus zpq. Here minus zpq get cancelled. These two terms get cancelled. What is the remaining term? Py plus, here shifting this term. Therefore, py, here this is minus zp plus zp minus zq. Next, shifting this term minus qy, that is equal to, here what is the remaining term here? Here x term, and here y shifting to the left side, it will become minus y. Therefore, next take the p terms. Therefore, p into, if you take p common term, what is the remaining term? Y. Here p is the common term, what is the remaining term? Z. Therefore, y plus z minus, here in these two terms, q is common term, q into, what is the remaining term? Minus q is the common term, what is the remaining term? Plus z. Here minus q common term, what is the remaining term? Plus x, that is equal to x minus y is the required PDE. Next problem, f of x square plus 2yz, y square plus 2xz is equal to 0. Solution, we have by the data, this is in the form of f of uv is equal to 0. We have by data f of uv is equal to 0. What is u? Compare here. U is equal to x square plus 2yz, and what is v? V is equal to y square plus 2 into xz. Same procedure. First differentiate this term with respect to x and y, and v with respect to x and y partially. Therefore, dou u by dou x is equal to difference of x square is 2x plus 2y. Here 2y with respect to x, 2y is the constant, right as it is. What is the difference of z with respect to x? Dou z by dou x. Here dou u by dou x is equal to 2x, right as it is, plus 2y. Dou z by dou x is p. This is dou u by dou y, dou x. Similarly, dou u by dou y, differentiate u partially with respect to y, that is equal to, here with respect to y, x square is constant 0. Next, here 2 is the common term, take it outside, and these two are the function of y, because y is a function of y, z is also a function of x and y, therefore both are function of y. Therefore, we have to use the product rule. Therefore, first function into, therefore what is the first function? Z is the first function into, differentiation of y is 1. 1 into z is z, plus second function z in y into, what is the differentiation of z with respect to y? Dou z by dou y. Therefore, that is equal to 2 into z plus y into, what is the dou z by dou y? That is q. Next, dou v by dou x is equal to, here with respect to x, y square is the constant 0, and here right to outside, here x and z both are function of x, both are function of x. Therefore, we have to use the product rule, uv rule. First function into, what is the differential of second? That is x is 1 plus second function into x into, what is the difference of z with respect to x? Dou z by dou x. Therefore, dou v by dou x is equal to 2 into z plus x into, What is the dou z by dou x? That is p. Similarly, dou v by dou y, that is equal to, here with respect to y, difference of y square is 2y, plus here 2 is the constant, right, as it is. Here x into, here with respect to y, 2x is the constant. 2x is the constant, right, as it is. Here what is the difference of z with respect to y? Dou z divided by dou y. Therefore, that is equal to 2 into, here 2 is the common term. Take it outside. Therefore, y plus x into, what is the dou z by dou y? That is q. Next, same procedure, differentiate equation 1. This one partially with respect to x and y by applying the chain rule. First, differentiate f with respect to u. Therefore, dou f divided by dou u. But we are going to differentiate with respect to y. Therefore, next differentiate u with respect to x. Therefore, dou u by dou x. Plus similarly, f is a function of v. First, differentiate f with respect to v. Dou f divided by dou v. Then differentiate v with respect to x. Dou v by dou x, that is equal to 0. Here write this term as it is. Shifting this term right side, it will become minus dou f divided by dou v by dou x. Else equation 2. Similarly, differentiate equation 1 partially with respect to y by applying the chain rule. First, differentiate f with respect to u, because f is a function of u. Dou f by dou u. And then next differentiate u with respect to y partially. Plus again differentiate f with respect to v, because f is a function of v. Next differentiate v with respect to y, that is equal to 0. Here write this term as it is. Shifting this term right side, it will become minus. Call this equation 3. Now divide 2 divided by 3. Therefore, here dou f by dou u divided by dou u get cancelled. What is the remaining term? Dou u by dou x divided by dou u by dou y, that is equal to, here dou f by dou v get cancelled, and minus get cancelled. Only we get dou v by dou x divided by dou v by dou y. That is equation 4. What is dou u by dou x? Dou u by dou x is 2. 2 is a common term. X plus yp. Therefore, 2 into x plus yp. Next, what is dou u by dou y? Dou u by dou y is 2 into z plus y cube. 2 into z plus y cube, that is equal to, what is dou v by dou x? 2 into z plus xp. 2 into z plus xp divided by, what is the dou v by dou y? 2 into y plus x cube. 2 into y plus x cube. And here 2 get cancelled. Here also 2 get cancelled. Cross multiply. That is equal to, here also cross multiply. Next, after simplification, we get first multiply with x. X into y is xy. Plus next x into x square into q. Next multiply with y into y is y square into p, plus here yp or xy pq. Xy pq, that is equal to, here z into z is z square plus zyq, plus multiply with xp z, plus here x into p yz. Same term xy pq, here xy pq get cancelled. Same term get cancelled. Next, shifting p terms and q terms here and xy terms here. Therefore, what y square into p, right, as it is. Here shifting this term, it will become minus xpz, plus here write this term as it is. Shifting this term, it will become minus. Therefore, minus zyq, that is equal to, here what is the remaining term? Z square, and here xy is there. Therefore, shifting xy to the right side, it will become minus xy. Therefore, it is in the form here. Next, p common term. In these two terms, p common term, write y square plus xz, plus here in these two terms, q common, write x square minus zy into q, that is equal to z square minus xy. You must write the final answer in terms of p, capital P. See, we take this as capital P. P into P plus this is q. Q into q, that is equal to r. You must write a p into p, small p. P into p plus q into q, that is equal to r. This form. You must write the PDE in terms of p into p plus q into q, that is equal to r. Or here you must take the p as a common term and here q terms common term, and that is equal to remaining terms. That is the PDE. Thank you.